I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. For you to start the first 10 or 15 minutes talking about your company, the year you had, the stuff you did, your corporate retreat, you're going to lose your audience. If you're promising some big story to your show, you got to get right into it. You got to get into it quickly. If you don't, you're going to lose your audience. Why? Because people are multitasking. I have it right here. It's my second do on this page. Do assume people are multitasking. My other thing is if you're going to be running your show for longer than that 15, 30-minute time, break it into segments and put a schedule out so people can tune in for the stuff they need to know. So maybe you're doing a trade show and the first thing you do is new products. Maybe you can have another section where you talk about your new channel strategy or a new distribution partner you went with. Or perhaps you want to do something where you introduce some of your new sales team, or you're coming out with a new product category. Maybe you're a company that makes medical supplies and now you're getting into some other widget or something. You know, whatever that is, break it into a schedule. This was a great schedule that Paul at Stream Geeks did for the Worship Summit. It's a great thing. I also recommend build in a break for lunch so people can, you know, have some time. People have to go to the bathroom. Don't assume people are going to sit at their desks for 2 or 3 hours paying attention to what you have to tell them on a live stream. Why? Because it ain't going to happen, folks.